number one, pulling out the spring. You want to make sure you hold on to the spring, the compression, so it doesn't fly into your face. Take off the handle. You can then take off the spring, and then you can actually so we don't have to grab a staple, we'll take out the staple cartridge. We'll slide this right out. Here's the hammer. This is what it looks like. If you find you got wear there, you can get replacements. We left enough meat here so that if you've got a square and a grinder, you can flatten this again, and it will give you quite a bit of long life for that. Then you've got the compression spring and the ring. This thing comes right out. You can replace those. So everything comes apart nice and easily. Put that collar back on, the spring, set it into your chambers, flip this back on. This male-female part, it was designed because if the gun does twist a little bit, this is free floating in the chamber. And that makes sure that it doesn't jam inside the chamber on its own. So that gives that little bit of play there just to make sure that you got a free-flowing hammer. And then you take your spring back in. Remember, this compression spring will release back. So typically what I'll do is put my foot underneath the hammer just to hold that, put this back on. Typically I'll put the catch on the bottom of it, load up your staple, pull it back, push the button, and you're ready to go. That's simple.